Hi, I'm Gareth from Big Game Bikes. Today, let's have a quick video about tire pressure. I see this come up all the time on social media. What tire pressure should you run at? How do you check your tire pressure? Let's get into it. Very quick video. So the first thing is, don't go onto the internet and ask the internet what your tire pressure should be. And the reason for that is really simple. Your weight, what you're carrying on the bike, where you're riding the bike, the outside ambient temperature are all factors that determine what your tire pressure should be. So somebody who weighs 70 kilos is going to have a different tire pressure to somebody who weighs 100 kilos. Somebody who weighs 80 kilos but is carrying loads of stuff, payload, on their bike is going to have a different tire pressure as well. Somebody riding on the road, somebody riding off-road, there's a lot of different factors. First thing we need to do, we need to have a look on the wall of our tire, and that's going to tell us what the maximum tire pressure is. Don't go above that. You'll read online people do, but obviously it says max PSI for a good reason. It'll be marked on your tire max PSI or max bar. Bar is a measurement of pressure, PSI, pounds per square inch, that's also a measurement of pressure. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're running the correct pressure on our tires, and we don't want to exceed whatever the maximum on the tire is. So what I do is I start off by inflating my tire to the max. Whether it's 20 PSI or 30 PSI, I inflate my tire to the maximum, and then I go for a ride through a puddle. And we can have a look at how much of the tire is wet. And we're aiming for about 75% coverage. So of course, when I go through the puddle, if the strip of water on the tire is very narrow, then our tire pressure is too high. If the strip of water on our tire is very wide and perhaps encompasses the entire tire, then our tire pressure could be too low. So by inflating our tire to the maximum pressure and then slowly reducing it until the width of the water on the tire widens to the correct amount, as you can see, we've got 75% coverage. That's how we're going to know what our tire pressure is. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy to check out what the correct tire pressure for you is. And remember, there are no hard and fast rules, except don't exceed the maximum pressure as indicated on the sidewall of the tire by the manufacturer. And always remember to keep an eye on your tire pressure just to make sure that your bike is running in its optimum condition. Comment below if you've got any questions, subscribe to our channel, and let me know if there's any other videos that you'd like us to make in the future.